In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Wix form to Mailchimp. We'll go through the process inside the Wix editor, starting from your live site editing view and ending with your form submissions syncing directly to your Mailchimp audience. To begin, make sure you're inside your Wix editor and looking at the page where you want the form to appear. This is your active site editing canvas, where you can visually place and adjust elements on the page. Before adding anything, it helps to quickly confirm that you're on the correct page and working in the right section of your layout, especially if your site has multiple pages or containers. Next, go to the toolbar on the left side of the editor and click the Add Elements button shown with a plus icon. This opens the panel that contains all of the building blocks you can insert into your site. If you're new to Wix, this panel is where you'll find things like text, images, buttons, galleries, and of course, forms. From there, select Contact and Forms. In this section, choose a standard Wix form and drag it onto your page. Drop it into the area where you want visitors to see it. Once it's placed, you can reposition it so it fits naturally into your page layout. Try to place the form somewhere clear and easy to access, especially if your goal is to collect newsletter signups or lead information. After the form is on the page, click the form block to open its settings and options. Look for the form settings area, then choose Integrations. This is the section where Wix allows you to connect the form to external tools and marketing platforms. Now select Mailchimp from the available integration options. You'll be prompted to sign in and confirm the connection between Wix and your Mailchimp account. During this step, make sure you're authorizing the correct account so your submissions go to the intended audience list. Once connected, map the fields from your Wix form to the corresponding fields in Mailchimp. For example, your text input fields such as name or email should match the right destination fields in your Mailchimp audience. This mapping step is important because it ensures that new submissions are organized properly when they sync over. When everything is connected, your incoming form leads will be sent directly to your Mailchimp newsletter list. That means you can start collecting contacts through your website and manage them automatically inside your email marketing workflow. After setup, it's always a good idea to preview and test the form to make sure the integration behaves as expected.